Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to share with you guys this piece that I made for my friend as a surprise. He didn't know I was making it. So I got this wolf and moon cut out, and I individually glued each stone. I used some rose quartz and strawberry quartz, and some of the bigger ones are just like some plastic pieces. So I individually glued each one down where I wanted them, and then I painted each stone. That way when I placed the resin, it didn't just disappear into the piece. And then what I do next, once this all dries, is I mix up my resin and I mix up my mica powders and paints and everything into the resin that I'm using. And then I think the camera dies during part of that, so you're not going to see all of it, because while I was still kind of tilting and working with the resin, my camera died. So it ran out of space or died or something, I can't remember. I've been waiting like a month to post this one because I hadn't sent it to my friend yet. So basically we were supposed to be going to Alaska, and I was going to take this and surprise him with it when we went, but we ended up having to cancel our trip because of everything going on, and all of our cases here are spiking. So we just couldn't get on a plane right now, especially with the airlines booking at full capacity, which is ridiculous to me. But we had to cancel our trip, but I went ahead and sent this to him anyways, so now that he has it, I'm able to share it with you guys. Right here, I'm just going in with gilding and painting the details onto the stones. I'll go ahead and put music over the rest so that you just don't have to listen to my voice the whole time, but be sure to give this a thumbs up if you like this, or give it a thumbs down if you don't. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see when I post more of these, because I will be posting more with different shapes and stuff as I'm working on them. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!